when it comes to the kitchen. Having the right tools for the job is essential. A good set of kitchen knives can make all the difference when it comes to food preparation. There are many different types of kitchen knives available on the market that have different purposes, shapes, and sizes. Number 1. Chef's knife. It is typically 8 inches long, though some models are available in 5-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch sizes. A chef's knife is a perfect tool and a good choice for anyone who wants a versatile and dependable all-purpose kitchen knife. Number 2. Santoku knife. The Santoku knives are all-purpose Japanese kitchen knives with a straight edge and a curved blade. You can use it for cutting vegetables, pieces of meat, and raw fish, making it an ideal tool for the home cook. Number 3. Nakiri knife. A nakiri knife is a Japanese classic knife that people use for preparing vegetables. It has a rectangular blade, which is used for chopping, slicing, and dicing vegetables. Number 4. Bread knife. A bread knife or serrated knife is an essential tool in every kitchen. As the name suggests, it is designed to be used when slicing bread. This type of knife features a unique blade that is composed of many small teeth. Number 5. Steak knife. Steak knives are kitchen knives that are usually shorter than a chef's or Santoku knife. They are designed with a pointed tip and serrated edge to make slicing steaks, chops, and other meats easier. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.